Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to remove Microsoft Edge from Windows 11. In order to do this, you're going to open up your browser and search for Revo Uninstaller. Now once you search for Revo Uninstaller, you can click on Revo Uninstaller right here, or of course you can click on Downloads. Go ahead and click on Downloads. Our goal here is to download the Revo installer, and once it's downloaded, you can go ahead and install it. So you can see the free download right here. So go ahead and click on it. And once it's downloaded, go ahead and install it. So we've been able to download and install Revo Uninstaller. And this is the current version. Of course, in your case, you might have a newer version. So once we open it, all you need to do is to scroll just like your Windows Uninstaller in settings. However, you don't have the option to uninstall Microsoft Edge because it comes with your operating system. However, here you have Microsoft Edge, and once you click on it, you can right click and then click uninstall. This will start the process to uninstall Microsoft Edge browser from your Windows 11. So go ahead and try this out if you'd like to remove Microsoft Edge browser from Windows 11.